we're going to ask everyone who they think is going to be ducks. Who do you think is most likely to be duck?
Ooh. Ellen Roberts.
Ellen Roberts. Oh, Ellie. 100% Ellie.
Ellie Roberts.
Gracing.
Ellie.
Grace.
Ellie.
Debbie.
Ellie.
Ellie.
Alan.
Steele. Grace. Ellie.
Evan Lewis.
Evan Lewis.
Lewis. Evan Lewis.
Evan.
Right. Ellie. Grace and Ellie.
Jack Christian. Henry Storer.
Zara Clydesdale.
Ellie. Debbie Hosoto. Zara Clydesdale for ducks.
Reese Bennett.
Georgia Steele. Ellen Roberts.
Alan Roberts. Evan.
Charlie New.
Ryan Shea. Ryan. Reese Bennett.
Ryan.
Jack Christian. Evan Lewis. Ryan. Jack Christian.
Ellen Roberts.
Have a shot, hang on. Alright boys, welcome to rhizomathematical methods. You've been kept in at lunchtime because you're all betas with no rhiz. And you need to learn to be sigmas. Right, so today we're going to learn about the normal distribution curve, otherwise known in the biz as the Ohio curve. And the formula is 1 divided by sigma times by the square root of 2 times pi multiplied by Euler's number to the power of negative a half multiplied by x minus mu divided by sigma. That's how you become a sigma. Yes, Rudy.
Sharp. Are you an alpha?
I am an alpha, Rudy. You're a beta.
Sharp. Is this how we become sigmas?
It is, Tom. Yes,
Do you really think I can become a sigma?
unfortunately not. Yes, Ashan.
Does Euler mog us?
Euler mocks you, Ashan.
Miss, do you know how to mute?
I can.
Good morning, everyone. I'm here with Trey. Trey's just made the walk across the oval here. Trey, what's it like parking in the New Year 12 car park?
Well, I think it's pretty nice. You know, there's a lot of room for me to park. I don't have to worry about the annoying teachers.
Deb, you've just walked across the oval from parking your car. How do you find it?
Yep, good exercise, second day doing it, and it's not that bad.
Morning, Josh. What's it like parking in the New Year 12 car park?
It's great, Hendo. It's great, Hendo. It's great, Hendo.
That's really far! Are you sure you're gonna make it?
We need to drop the backpacks.
go without me, I won't make it. It's so hot. Wait, Evan is. We're going straight to Evan. Alright, Evan. Who was your first crush in year 7?
Julia Gillard.
I don't know who that is. Izzy Goss. Who was your first crush when you first came to Gippsland Grammar?
No.
Rejected by Anthony Davis.
Nick, who was your first crush in year
Maddie, my best friend.
7? Maddie, who was your first crush in year 7? Same
answer. Oscar Dallard. I honestly don't remember.
You don't remember?
But I dated Andrew.
Gretel Harms. Harry Lancaster.
Fair enough. Unlucky Jess. Harry Lancaster. Ooh. In year 7?
Tom Gillen.
Who was
Harry
your first-
Lancaster.
Harry Lancaster for 3.
This crush is kind of embarrassing.
That's alright.
Noah Christie.
Noah Christie.
The footy shorts. Ethan Davies.
I'm gonna be so original and say Harry Lancaster.
Yeah, that's what Harry Lancaster for 4.
I'm gonna send rollover Mac McDonald.
Matt. Who was your first crush in year 11?
Absolutely not.
Tarly Oates.
Fair enough. Devin.
Letitia Smith.
Izzy Goss.
Fair enough.
Caitlin Henderson.
And who was your first crush in year 7?
Myself.
Who was your first crush in year 7?
Maddie Nicholas.
Abby Crozier. Georgia Anderson.
Abby Crozier.
Abby Crozier.
Pippi Young.
Pippi Young.
Georgia Rowe.
Very nice.
No comment.
No comment. Who was your first crush in year 7?
Stella Meccan.
Who was your first crush in year 7?
Reese Bennett.
Hi, Croft. This is going to be a bit interesting, but mine also was Stella Meccan.
Please! Please! No! Mine was Lola Roberts.
Lola.
I wasn't at the school in year 7.
8.
I wasn't at the school in year 8.
9.
Annie Perkins.
Yeah.
Too soon to say.
Yeah, it's too long.
In year 7, shout out to Ebony Rogers from Bairnsdale Secondary College. But I don't think I did have a...
Zara Hanratty.
Harry Lancaster, yeah.
Harry Lancaster 6, I think. For you, Maggie?
Harry.
Harry 7.
Harry Lancaster.
Yeah, we already did that.
Harry Lancaster.
Yeah, Harry.
Ethan Davies.
Ooh, Ethan, that's 2.
Archie Vardy. Cameron Higgins.
Yeah.
Archie.
Georgia.
Jake Hall.
Harry Lancaster. Gus Russell. Aki Vardy.
Cameron. Archie Vardy.
Aki Vardy.
Yes.
Mr. Dartwood is the worst head of year.
I'm always productive in my spares.
I'm going to bed so early tonight.
I definitely have double PE today. I love sitting at the front of assembly.
Oh my goodness, the microwave is so clean.
I love legal studies. I always put my art folio first.
Double special and double methods. Best day ever. I love walking from the U12 car park.
I look forward to so much, it's better than my house. I love getting yelled at every mentor for wrong uniform.
I always have my hat.
I wish I never quit methods.
I'm so looking forward to the English exam.
I love wearing my blazer.
Being band captain is my proudest achievement.
I love having practice exams during my spring holidays.
Podcast is so cheap.
Yes, that's a free big meeting!
Hey chemistry peeps, Jess McCartney here.
Alright, so let's have a quick look at question 7. There's a couple of things I really need to bring up here. So one of the questions is around dichromate and the safety issues involved with it. I just want to make sure you're really aware of this. I wouldn't normally bring dichromate into the room. It's highly dangerous. So there's some real issues with it. Can anyone tell me some of the issues that you get with dichromate?
It's highly corrosive.
It dissolves everything. It dissolves, unlike the plastic, which it won't dissolve, it would dissolve your skin. So we need to be very careful of these types. finish off by having a look at inert gases in an equilibrium system. I really want to make sure we get this right. So if I said to you what would be the effect of adding an inert gas to an equilibrium system, what would happen? No! I've told you this is a trap for young players. You, like lemmings over the cliff, have continued to fall for it. Trap for young players.
Michael.
What's up, Mr. C?
Your legs. Now that everyone's here, pop quiz! Everyone, this is a trap for young players. And Michael, you are a young player.
Trap for young players. Trap for young players. Trap for young players. Alright, the last time. Adding an inert gas. No change. What's the change when you add an inert gas?
No change!
Oh, I've been married a long time ago. Would you come from what year?
Feel alright from Madonna to Madeleine Albright. Threat level midnight. It's a threat, a level threat. He's the greatest hockey star